Hey guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to speed up on your Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure that your Spotify account is logged in and it's downloaded and ready to go. So open your Spotify account. Then you can search up for any music you want. I've searched for Drake. And then click on the artist that you want to play the songs from. Let me make sure that the song is not playing. So click on the big red green play button. After your song is getting played, click on the tab that comes on the bottom of your screen. And as you can see, there are many options here as well as shuffle, and you need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. As you can see that there is a sleep timer, there are song credits, and you can go to the radio, but there is no speed up button. So Spotify does not really have a speed up option for music, but instead only for podcasts. So what I want you to do is go back to your homepage and click on any of the podcasts that you want to speed up so I can show you. I've clicked a podcast here from my homepage. After that, click on any episode you want to go to and play it. Click on the tab that comes in your bottom, and as you can see on the most left side there is a speed up button. You can speed up or slow down your podcast. So this option only exists on Spotify's podcast. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep your suggestions on the drop box below.